Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope everyone's doing pretty good out there. Today we have a little bit of an unboxing to do. A couple of things I picked up as a Christmas thing, and one of them I'm going to start collecting and make the other side of this room over here kind of like a studio thing now that the kids getting older. So I'm going to decorate it up, get rid of some of the kids stuff, and start putting up some, I don't know, maybe a little bit more adult stuff. So first unboxing we have right now, right here. So this is something I picked up. I watched a few videos of. I was kind of interested in how it works and how well it is going to teach you to kind of play guitar. So let's get this thing open. Voila. So this is the world's best guitar learning system. And this is the, what they call it, the Guitar Buddy or something? Chord Buddy, there you go. So this is the kit, not just the mechanism itself, but this is basically, comes with the books, comes with a DVD, instructions, song books with over 60 songs, and yeah, so this is going to be a nice little thing to, maybe electric, acoustic, however I play with it, and see how this works as far as learning guitar goes. See if it helps with learning chords and finger position, all that. So this is one. All right, so unboxing number 2 is kind of a large box and kind of reminds you of a kick guitar, doesn't it? But I assure you there is not a kick guitar inside here, so I'm going to try to open this thing up as best I can because they sure did tape the living piss out of it, that's for sure. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Oh boy, look at that. Lots of bubble tape. Bubble wrap, I mean. Gotta love it though. I always love bubble wrap. Alright, so what we have here is something that I've been kind of passing out as Christmas gifts to a lot of my YouTube friends, and I want to start collecting these myself as well. And the one thing I like about this is these are authentic. They're not replicas. They're not fake. They're actual. The item that I'm going to pull out here is the actual item. So let's open this thing, pull this out of here if I can. So this is the actual Killers album, okay? And this is the actual sleeve for the album, and this is the actual album itself. All right, now this has been metallized, so this is the actual album metallized, and the guy does a nice job with this, and he puts a little metal plaque over here, the greatest music of all time, Iron Maiden Killers. And the back of it is pretty much, it's pretty much just the back of it, I guess. Not much you really say or do about, about the back. So I'm gonna put this off to the side. The nice thing too is, like I said, so you get this out. They did a good job with taping this, Nice thing about this as well is it comes with a letter of authenticity. If I can get that out. So this is certified that it is the original album cover and the original album metallized over the original vinyl pressing of Killers by Iron Maiden. That's kind of cool. I really like that. So yeah, that's that. Let's get on to bigger and better things.